Hey everybody, how's it going? Steve Got It Pool, welcome along. We're just going to be talking about this renovation that we did out here. And it's been a total of 4 days. And basically what we did was the patio was removed and new coping got put on. And a new liner, a new pump, new filter. And we're just going to kind of go around. We're going to walk around. We're just going to kind of look at everything, talk about everything. These are our ladder jigs for the ladder, so you know that when they do the patio they can set these in place. They're all bonded in with our bonding lugs and our copper wire. The anchor cups are bonded, so that looks really good. The progressive the Vastec progressive 3-inch coping that came out really good. Here's another ladder, because this pool doesn't have stairs, so I think they're just going to have 2 ladders on it, and it'll be okay. You know, we're trying to grade everything out the best we can, and it's good soil. It's just tons of rocks. So can't get this one out. We'll cut that one out. Well, anyway, we're just kind of walking around and doing things as we're talking. So originally this pool just had one smallmouth skimmer. It had 1 low wall suction and 1 return in the shallow, and they were all on that wall over there. So we added a return right there, and then we plugged that return and we moved that return over. We added a second low wall, so those are teed together off of 1 line, and looks really good. Lots of roots, and we're just trying to grade everything out the best we can. I mean, it's not pretty by any means, but it's just a lot of handwork. And new liner, silver Antigua liner. Looks good. Got all our bonding whips, so that way they can bond the ladders, and that they can also bond to the rebar grid on the patio. So this is our new skimmer here, made by Hayward, and we're just trying to fine tune some of this garbage soil. They're not going to be doing the patio anytime soon, so you know, a few rainstorms, and you know, they'll come in and they'll set their forms and do everything nice, and that'll kind of be good to go. So all our lines, they all came into here, and we went under the shed right here. So we'll end up taking some of these big rocks, and we'll kind of fill that hole there on the bottom, and then cover it over with dirt, just like it was before. It'll be good to go. So, and then inside here's the pump room with our Pentair System 3 DE filter, and we got our nice valves. You know, we went straight out. We didn't do any raising of the manifold or anything like that. Everything's indoors. You know, we got a spigot for draining, and you know, I think the only thing is, you know, down the road we're gonna have to maybe put in a little backwash valve there, or a little drain valve there, so that they can drain the water out of the tank easy without soaking the floor. But other than that, it came out pretty good in here. So, and yeah, originally that when we came in here, you can refer to old videos, but the pump was set down in this little hole, and it was just a big giant hole, so it was weird. But anyway, we're just, like I said, we're fine-tuning things out here. Short little video for the video purposes, and we got a nice 2-hour ride home, and I have no idea what we're doing tomorrow, but we'll figure that out and talk to you all soon. All right, talk to you all soon. Oh yeah, I already said that. Steve Got It Pool. Like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.